Using Costco Cash Rewards is a simple and rewarding process that allows members to earn and redeem cash back on their purchases. To start, it is essential to understand that Costco Cash Rewards are earned through the use of the Costco Anywhere Visa card by Citi. This card offers 4% cash back on eligible gas purchases, 3% on restaurants and travel, 2% at Costco, and 1% on all other purchases. To redeem your Costco Cash Rewards, first, you need to receive your annual reward certificate, which is typically sent to you by February of each year, summarizing your total cashback earnings from the previous year. This certificate will be mailed to your address on file, so it is crucial to ensure your contact information is up to date. Once you receive your reward certificate, you can redeem it at any Costco warehouse location. Simply present your certificate at the membership counter, and the staff will assist you in redeeming your rewards. You can use your cash rewards to purchase anything in the warehouse, from groceries to electronics, or even use it to renew your membership. It is also possible to redeem your rewards for cash or a credit to your Costco account. To do this, you will need to visit the membership counter and ask the staff to process your reward certificate as a cash redemption or account credit. Keep in mind that you must be a current Costco member to redeem your rewards. To maximize your Costco Cash Rewards, it is best to use your Costco Anywhere Visa card for all your purchases, especially on gas, dining, and travel, where you can earn higher cashback rates. Additionally, be sure to pay your credit card balance in full each month to avoid interest charges and make the most of your rewards. By following these steps and using your Costco Anywhere Visa card responsibly, you can earn and redeem significant cash rewards, making your Costco membership even more valuable and rewarding.